Karbi Anglong District Congress Asai Hemalong Joint Extended Amai Kangni. Taralang su KLNLF Designet Camp Alo KLNLF Asong Pen Inkoy Angdeng Nasnet Hero Martyrs Day Kepatupon. Kardom ada berita long peneli berita tan bang thada harmony pe na berita ton pen ar direct. Karbi Anglong District Congress Asai Hemalong Lumbajong Mandal Congress Committee tumpen Cepatir Pi Pon si Matijong ni pai trok arni Joint Extended Meeting Kepatupon a berita pherang ke pen card news Asai Hemalong berita nang pale. Phul Singh Rong Pharpen Kachari Pon Amayalong Alui Sarpo Aman Pen MP Biren Singh T Chitong Dun Lapen Alui Aman Pen MLA Barim Bidal Singh Ingleng Puding Terang DMMCC Amai Pi Kasang Terang Pi Lapen Pran Kumar Data Tum Chitong Dun Joint Extended Amayalong Akaprek Aracharia Song Kedudun Atum Congress Asong Along Don Harui Sira Don Thongkebra Narkeb Atum Chingbedu KLNLF Asong Pen Matijong ni pai trok arni ada porpai sirkep apor pen Inkoy Angdeng National Hero Martyrs Day Catalan pon a berita pherang ke pen card news along berita nang pale.
Ada porpai sirkep apor pen KLNLF chairman Pidili pen plama pangjar ponlo mang sopi songja timung pensi milor ke kai jalid ponlo afitu ada porpai crazy apor pen KLNLF chairman Pidili pen ke chari pon amayalong alhuaman pen Karbi Film Society amai pro thaniram tiso KLNLF kong chunbang thong teron la pen KLNLF asonglong plemra peratum chetong durinti Mayalo along litum pen mon somalong wang den pen Karbi Anglong arat la pen NC Hill sakar i hempre la phan sorkar pen kachingi bom non mati jong chiklo anki phoke bra pho phon pleng tanglo sita sorkar tum ke pangkhre viajok KLNLF asong pen ningduk chepaklang
litum damtang November 28 ani kene litum ceasefire extension lo chiklo jon sokhan April 30 an kena tuntu 30 November ani kene litum tripartite do Government of India interlocutor AB Mathur apen Assam government ben special DGP Bolo Bhattacharya do apen ke na joint director IB along stong apen itu asong lo apen titibang mo tripartite meeting ni kono apen aso mai arsigjit benil dum chingwai kono KLNLF asong ke manga putha Diman Charter putha itu arsigjit me chingki kono apen aso mai long sin tu decision chen lo dam Kevang jinang aporani hot ke di phulong selang lena humriji February chek longbong sini tum February chek longbong macam tum festival season do 16 to 19 la sila so le bang no so le kado we pencing wai nang kolam thein tum paklang do apen ke alang da chi don lo February chek lo bang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council members men tongji apen ke ex-UPDS dengan Citongji, akan social organisation, ada event Citongji pasal alang ni kita pernah cakap do. Tum kemang kicun lagi tu bang sini tum ning thedam lo thema ajat, lama kam bajat akisung sita meda ke demokrasi adat pina apa, kacing wai pen, through negotiation, hang dah kakisung ave, thema kacing wai cing sai pen sejat homo isata kacun onji pu, aso ning thesi ni tum non interlocutor pen sita me batai political negotiation mang do boni bono
Namun support han berita mo ton ponik sine
Aturkimi Academy Difu affiliated to CBSE New Delhi admissions open for Montessori LKG UKG class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20 Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. GR Infra Projects Limited, Plot number 80, Brahmaputra Industrial Park, Amingaon, Guwahati 781031. Products: bitumen emulsions, coal mix emulsions, PMB, CRMB, metal crash barrier, thermoplastic paint and bitumen all grades, etc. MS Metro Engineering, authorized dealer. first floor, Cooperative Building, Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Contact number 9435533710 or 8638223203 or 8638441464.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo piputat bertalong wang tulo. Crazy Cap Angdeng Hornbill Festival Nagaland IMP Kohima Arong Supi Ben kilometer krihini an kahilo Naga Heritage Village Kisama along Matijong nipai ACR ni pen nipai Cap Arniat ni Cap abha alir alon pen katalon pon bom abirta pherangke pen kat news along birta nang pale
Naga Heritage Village Kisama along ni Cap abha ki paman pon along kicheng arni ka chitong dunat tumpen men ka thap ateng pen bang suri Crazy Kera suri Crazy ra bang phogebra ke thomatum chetong dun pusi pachini bang swang bong pen ang tanadet pen chasemet Italy Switzerland Rome hayu adet pen nang ka chitong dun bang pharo ke thomra bang ner Cap Kebra bang hinia tum nang chitong dun pata pachini Hornbill Festival adun tu arni alhi sarpo aman pen Nagaland a Governor PB Acharya chitong dun Lapenipai ke thom arni alhi sarpo aman pen Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts a member Dr. Sachindananda Joshi chitong dun si naga khai tuma chutang chubat kangcho lapen karai kom the kapotha kachoro lam thi pajir lapen bangso rongaja rong kachitong duna varsai kilong pothak talang lihin pen ning karong alam thi chepaklang anpar Joshi achor Malavika hin pen ke tok Nagalena pothaka hir jersitami alang lihin pen parjupon Anparata Jaimek Ateng Pen Nipai Pli Arni Australia Legislative Council member Reverend Fred Knight Lapen Telangana Tourism Department a Secretary Venkatesham Nipai Pho Arni Union Minister for Tourism KJ Alphonse Lapen Niti Ayok Vice Chairman Sanjeev Kumar Tumchitong Dunsi Arlong Kivung Kachepate along Ingpudun Lasonsi National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Ministry for Rural Development Government of India Director General W.R. Reddy Mizoram a Governor Kumanam Rajesh Shekhar pen chenglok ong dungman ke doke thege dinga bang phubang phiatum pen kachitong duncha birta riptun long
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Art and Culture asai hempen Matijong ni pai pho arni ingdeng narkep kaji rohang pi aphan karcho ajai mek along pacheton dun se lochar le soma atum aphan arjan ki hi kachapate ke padopon birta pherang ke pen card news along birta nang pale
Ingdeng nerkep kajirong hangpi karcho amalong claim sumaratuma pan arjan hi kachipate ponalong kadukawe group A lapen group B bangrong pet pen bang nerkep kebra bang hinia tum chipate dunlo arjan ki kachipate group A along cheng senong A Anika swingleng P adun thuanong A aswarong P lapen kethomanong A Anika bhumia tum pensi chipalong ponlo lapen arjan ki kachipate group B along cheng senong A phai tiktok B adun thuanong A suman karmakar lapen kethomanong A golson ingtia tum pensi chipalong ponlo Lapen difurong sepe hitiang kang towar cekok along tinta arnikang samapor kendel ke kaidun ambirta riptun long.
Ada berita mang lapan sikang tonpon inglo domi thakme kurwang tu.